Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shadowcats token. Now the Shadowcats token just got listed on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. Token price today is about 77.3 cents per token. Shadowcats, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol for this token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Shadowcats token. So Shadowcats, their official webpage is shadowcats.xyz. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap, along with their Etherscan, their Block Explorer, their Twitter, their Medium articles are on here, price chart, and contract address are all available on CoinMarketCap. So how you'd get this token, you'd simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find a Uniswap, and then you would sell your Ethereum, or trade your Ethereum, I should say, for the Shadowcats token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, their Etherscan, their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Before you do anything like that, though, there is a warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page that everyone should be aware of before thinking about investing in this token. It says the contract owner may contain the authority to modify the transaction tax. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So thoroughly investigate this token before investing. Do your own research. Make sure it doesn't look sketchy. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a scam when there's a warning like that, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam. So just be aware of that and thoroughly do your own research. So this token is actually down 6.48% today, which isn't a whole lot, but it is down since its listing here on CoinMarketCap. Now, if you go to their official webpage, they have a link to tokenomics, Medium, Buy Now section, DEX tools chart, Twitter, Telegram. It says they have a white paper. I'm not sure if that works here, but we'll try that in a second. It says, our mission, every hero needs a villain, someone to stop them in their tracks and limit their power. We place ourselves at the helm. We are here to tell the other side of the story and to give the people an opportunity to make a choice. Yes, you, the people reading this. Do you choose to continue to be ruled by the Shiba Inu and their corrupt ecosystem, or do you want to make a stand and make a change? We promise a vision that was initially set out, no ecosystem, no control over power, no authority, a pure outlook on how decentralization should be, a community in control of what they want to achieve and the decisions they make, an opportunity to fight together for a real change to take down Shiba Inu. So obviously you can see that these people do not like Shiba Inu, and they are trying to rival against them here. So on CoinMarketCap, it says Top Cat coming to take over the Inus. Shadowcats plan to not only come for the Top Cat coin on Shibarium, but we intend to take over the space one Inu at a time. So they're against all Inus, basically. Every hero needs a villain, someone to stop them in their tracks. We place ourselves at the helm. It says, we promise a vision that was initially set out. Okay, so it kind of repeats themselves there on CoinMarketCap. So they're against all Inus here. It says, Shiba, we are lurking. We, the Shadowcats, are lurking in the dark, awaiting our entry to Shibarium. You will see us again very shortly. Who are the Shadowcats? Well, Shadowcats, the first Ryoshi War. Shadowcats are the vile sworn enemies of Shiba Inus of the galaxy, and through the leadership of the fallen Mind L and their Sir of Deception, spawn when we FUD exists in the world. Therefore, these entities thrive on creating havoc, scams, and all-around despair across multiple worlds. Luckily for all involved, Shiba Inus are the only breed of dogs that have been shown to smell these entities no matter their forms. Speaking of various forms, it's been shown that the Shadowcats can take the form of greys when they lose their hair on Earth, but also can attach their spirit through Shibarium onto other species, especially humans, who seem the most susceptible to their influence. Word got out to the outer reaches of the Shiba solar system that Ryoshi's ideas about decentralization, equality, and peace had turned Shiba Inu into Shibatopia. This angered the Shadowcats and have executed an unprovoked attack on the planet. Ryoshi, with the help of all other Shibas from various disciplines, fought off the attack, but not without heavy losses. Anyways, so we get the idea. Buy and sell tax, I mean, that was quite a lengthy story there. Buy and sell tax, 3%. So you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 3% if you want to buy or sell this this token here. Now, it doesn't actually say what the taxes are for some reason. I do not appreciate that. Maybe it says in their Medium articles. They don't seem to have a white paper. I thought they do, but it just takes you to a Medium article. And they basically just have these stories here. They don't really have any actual like tokenomics or anything like that. Now, it looks like they should have like some sort of NFTs as well, because this looks, Shadowcats, you would assume NFTs, but it doesn't really say have an NFT section on their webpage or Medium article specifically either. Now, if I go over to their Twitter at ShadowcatsERC, they have 1,379 followers. Scroll through here quickly. They got 124 tweets. Now, they may have NFTs coming in the future. I would hope that they do, because the Shadowcats look kind of cool, and hopefully they turn them into NFTs or something. But really just have this one picture that I could see of the Shadowcats as well. So this is very much just a meme token, it looks like, and 3% tax, and besides that, there's not much other information besides their lengthy stories. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about Shadowcats down there in the description box. I don't really see much to this token at all, so if there's anything special, you guys let me know, because this seems very plain here, this token. 414 holders, 1 million total supply, 18 decimal places, 3% tax. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.